The quarterly earnings so far have been quite encouraging, and there has been an improvement both on the number front as well as the commentary that we have received from the various managements. First, let me highlight how the Nifty's EPS picture looks like. The current EPS of all the companies that have delivered so far has exceeded about 140 rupees, which is about 10% higher from where the analysts were actually anticipating the Nifty's EPS to be. So that is, leading the analyst expectations. And surprisingly, this time around, what we have seen throughout the quarter as it has progressed is that the analysts have revised or upgraded their EPS estimate as the quarter has gone by. Now, the second aspect is, the soft aspect, which is the management commentary, how the body language has been of various managements and the kind of commentary that we have got. So what I did was scan through all the press releases after the companies released their quarterly earnings and look for some key words which will show, how the perspective of the management is going forward. And some interesting findings that I want to share with you. One is that, the word growth has been used more than 300 times in all the press releases combined. The word strong has been used 150 times. The words demand and improve have been used more than 100 times each. And many managements have alluded to the fact that this quarter they've had the highest quarterly earnings that they have seen so far in history. So that is indicative of the fact that 48 number of times the word highest has been used in the various press releases that we have got. Now, some of the key findings as far as company specific action is concerned. Bajaj Auto has used the highest ever word maximum number of times at 9 times. Reliance Industries has used demand maximum number of times at 27. HCL Tech has used the word growth maximum number of times, which stands at 25. And the word strong and improve have been used the maximum number of times by Tata Motors, which is at about 21 times. Now, some of the companies that have used the highest word maximum number of times, of course, you have Bajaj Auto, followed by Tata Steel, Reliance Industries, Bharti Airtel, as well as JSW Steel. The companies that have used improve maximum number of times are Tata Motors, Reliance Industries, Bharti Airtel, HCL Tech, as well as Tata Steel. The word demand has been used maximum number of times by Reliance Industries, TCS, Hindalco, Cipla, as well as Mahindra & Mahindra. And lastly, if you have a look at the word strong, that has been used maximum number of times by Tata Motors, TCS, Reliance Industries, HCL Tech, as well as Bharti Airtel. So all in all, this is to reflect how the positive commentary of the management is coming in, and they are quite optimistic of the earnings picture as well as the outlook for their individual companies going forward as well.